For the last couple weeks, I've been dailying this 4.8 Silverado, and it's been fun having a sleeper. But now I want to de-sleeper the sleeper. First thing, we have a transmission temp gauge dash out of a 2005 Silverado with the LED gear indicator and the transmission temp gauge. Second thing is nothing cool, but it needs it. We need to put a new radiator in the truck. As soon as I got it home, it started leaking, and now it's leaking much worse. After that, we're going to be doing some tint, as well as a brow. We're also going to be upgrading these yellowed clears on the top, as well as these non-clears on the bottom, to clears top and bottom with LEDs top and bottom. We're going to be taking the dash out. Look at this. Oh, there's my radio head unit. Good girl. Her name is Peggy. Peggy R. Peggy-er. You take her. That one's even going to be too big. We're now using the 12-inch extension here. Ask your mom. She knows about my 12-inch extension. Looks like the RPM gauge does not work. That's unfortunate. That's really unfortunate. The RPM gauge is not even attempting to work. It's not even sitting at 0. It's acting like it has no power at all. Kind of disappointed because I overspent on this cluster by a lot. I guess let's go back home and we're gonna put a radiator in this thing. First things first. Let's see if she blows up in my face. Bang! Oh no. Well, we're gonna revert to old-fashioned technology. This is what I'm grabbing at here. I'm gonna pull this hose off. It's gonna drain all the coolant here, but it's gonna get whatever undercoats on the frame, and I'm not gonna be able to reuse the coolant now, which is what it is. Well, we had to take it off from the motor side, which is what it is. Cameraman, if you wanna zoom in right here. I had to take it off with a water pump. That lower clamp's pretty rotten, and it's slicing the tube. We're popping these off. We're popping these off. I'm totally gonna lose these. I have put a radiator in one of these before. Every GMT 800 I buy. Right. Here, big guy. Neutral drop. Go. Look at you. Oh, this one's got a petcock on it. Isn't that nice? Honestly, this hose is kind of beat too. Let's go pick up a new hose from O'Reilly's. Oh, hey, when it comes to measuring, make sure that you don't order junk on Amazon, because I have a 34-inch overall, 28.5-inch core radiator. But wait, there's more. I ordered the same thing online. It showed the correct dimensions. It comes in and its overall diameter, or its overall length, is 42 inches, and its core is 34 3/4. New hose, 2 clamps, new radiator. That's actually the right size this time. Where the hose at? taking a little drive in the truck, just making sure that everything works. Seems like the radiator is holding up fine. I'm probably gonna step on it a little bit up here, that way we can do a little pull for testing purposes, they say. Oh yeah, she's in a good mood tonight. We just did a 0 to the speed limit right there. This truck is so much more fun to drive than my modern 5.3. Even my stock modern 5.3 with a custom tune on it goes better, but something about just that cammed, oh man, I love it. I love it so much. Oh man, I miss having a street truck. Oh, it feels so good. We need to go get this thing tinted. I will see you guys tomorrow when it's finished being tinted. All right, we're back from the tint shop now. You can see I put on these 18s, and the reason for that is I got a flat on the 20s. And to be honest with you, I'm kind of falling in love with the 18s. But we had to match the back to the front with 20%. We did an 8-inch 5% strip on the shield. I think it looks pretty good. All right, so we're back home now, and we have some headlights for the truck. We have bought more clears for the truck. No amber. As you can see, the truck has one with amber, and the top is yellowed pretty badly. If you compare this to this, you'll notice that this one's yellowed up pretty bad. First, we'll do the driver's side here. Give me this. Now, honestly, I kind of want to do something different with these headlights. They're really not as bright as you'd think they'd be. Now, for the lower, just a little pin and a twist. So I completely forgot about the marker light bulb, but we're going to be putting in Amazon's finest, the cheapest switchback LED that they had available, because I wanted to test it out. I was like, you know what, why not? We're probably going to end up switching these out next video. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. And then we're going to ditch this stock running light for an LED running light. Oh, splendid. I'm definitely going to buy marker light bulbs, and we're going to put those in next video. But I at least want to see what these look like, because we're already here. Let's hide all that. I said, let's hide all that. Stay. Good boy. Great, we're back to headlights that fit like this. Last time I'm buying eBay headlights. This is how bad the yellowed ones were, with the amber on the bottom. Got rid of that. So much better. Now, I don't know who touched this headlight before me, but you're fired. Go. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so much better. Alright, y'all, that's going to do it for this video. In all honesty, the cheap bulbs I bought don't work at all. They have the hyper flash, which I kind of figured was going to happen, but the daytime running function to be a real switchback doesn't work at all. Kind of figured that of the Amazon bulbs, and they were the cheapest ones on Amazon, but I wanted to give them a shot. That being said, the clears do look way better. The tint is light years ahead of no tint on the truck, and I'm kind of digging the 18s. Let me know what you guys think, if I should keep the 18s or if I should go back to the 20s. But I really, really like this wheel setup on this truck. I did do a couple things behind the scenes that you guys didn't get to see, such as I got new remotes and keys for the truck, as well as I shut off the VAT system in HP tuners. That way I can just have a key and I don't actually have to have it programmed. I also fixed the tach or RPM gauge, whatever you want to call it. When we first got it at the beginning of this video, it didn't work. So I took the faceplate off the dash, fixed that, and now it functions properly and I can watch the 4.8 scream in RPMs and peg out above 6,000 between shifts. And that makes me very happy. I do have big plans for this truck. Main one is exhaust, and then a couple other goodies on the interior, which you guys will see in the next video, which is coming up in just a few weeks. Thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you again for 5,000 subscribers. I know I said it in a previous video, but it means a lot to me, and we are just getting started. Again, big things planned, and I'll see you guys in the next one.